Hi guys, welcome back. Today I have a planner review video for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's jump right in. So welcome back. If you're new, my name is Sydney. I have a serious obsession with planners. To be really honest, I love all things planners. I currently carry around 3 different planners for 3 different things, and that's just my life. Like, I love having planners. I love new planners, all of it. Bring on the planners. Like, they make me so happy. I love being organized. I will also say it really helps with my anxiety to list things out, to be able to plan, to see what I need to do. I'm very visual and I just adore planners. So when I saw this planner, I was very intrigued by it, and I started digging into it and watching review videos and looking at the articles on it, and I felt like this was a really good planner to have, and I'm excited to use this planner. This planner is geared towards taking care of your home. So if that's not something that you're interested in, my guess is that you're really not going to enjoy this planner and utilize it the way that it was made to be utilized. Now, if you are really big into taking care of your home and making sure you're not missing anything and checklists and on planning all of that, this is going to be the planner for you. We are talking about the 2021 Home Planner. I will leave all of her information below. It's by the Passionate Penny Pincher. This, I think, is her second planner that she's designed. I want to say last year was her first year doing this, but I am so in love with this planner. I'm excited to do this review for you. So if you wanted to see more information, I'm going to try and cover the things that I was kind of interested in or wanted to know more about but just couldn't find the substance for. I'm going to try and put that all in this video. So hopefully this video will help you decide if this is the planner for you. If you have any other questions that you're just not able to find the answers to, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to give you any and all information about this planner that I know of to help you kind of decide if you think that this planner is right for you. So when you get your planner, again, it'll come in 1 or 2 patterns. I just decided that this pattern looked more fun than the other one. I love the other one too, but it's just got a more streamlined, simple look to it. And again, it has a very laminated front and back cover. And then this piece here is also some type of laminate as well. It's very soft, but I do think you could probably write on this and dry erase off of it. You have 2 layers of, or 2 sheets of stickers, and I love that one page is already filled in for you, and then the next page is totally blank. You've got a lot of habit trackers down here at the bottom, and then just some flags. And then you have your belong to page where you can write down your name. And then we get into how to use this planner. I love how in-depth, let me try and fix this lighting here for you guys. I love how in-depth she goes with how to utilize this planner to benefit you the most. So she goes really in detail here on what kind of have a key here. Each day has its own icon. It'll have all 3 of these. So this kind of tells you what each of those icons are. And then you get a nice little note from Lori. So you guys can read that. But let's go ahead and jump into the rest. So then we get into the list. This is like the holy grail for me. I was sold when I saw this. Just in itself, you don't get this in really any other planner. So this was super exciting for me. She has checklists for spring cleaning, yard and home maintenance, and then she breaks it down further into the entire house, bathrooms and bedrooms, the kitchen, and other areas. Same thing with like the yard and home maintenance checklist. Late winter, early spring, things to do in the summer, things to do in the spring, and then fall as well. So just things to do to maintain your home that you might not think about. They're nicely laid out in these lists, and I absolutely love that. When we turn the page, she also has several pages dedicated to Company is Coming, which I think is great. And honestly, I know right now things are a little weird. We might not be having company as regularly as we would, but I think it's still great to do this list periodically, even if you don't have company doing or coming, because you might be thinking of, oh man, I haven't cleaned out the fridge, or clean out the coat closet, things that we would normally miss, but except when company is coming, we do those extra little steps. That's in here. And I think it's great to just do that, even if company isn't coming. But again, she does also have, what meals you're going to plan and what grocery lists, what grocery items that you need as well. So it's a really great list to utilize. Now, this, you guys, is everything. This is everything. She has a Christmas checklist, and I am so excited to utilize this part next December. I'm trying to pick and choose some things from it right now that I can use this December, but again, I'm not getting into this planner until January 1. But it is broken down in the most perfect way to make sure your Christmas or your holiday season is flawless. And it starts early. So she's got planning and baking and Christmas cards, gifting, shopping, baking supplies, gift wrapping supplies, reminders, a gift list. And it just is like the perfect thing to have, because I feel like in Christmas we get a little scatterbrained, with everything that's going on. So it's nice to just have it laid out perfectly. When we turn the page, she also has our weekly home projects. These are going to be things that you do every day, or no, every week. These are projects that you're going to do every week. So let me flip this over here so you guys can kind of see. So we have, and it's broken down into quarters. So January, February, March, July, August, September. Well, it goes, anyways. So it goes January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And so within each quarter, there is going to be a list of things that you have to do. And then it has a corresponding date on each item. So you really just take one item, and that's what you're going to focus on for the week. So you're not getting bogged down with the feeling of overwhelm trying to get everything done. We just break it down, and we take it one task at a time, and it's marked out what week we're going to do that task, and then it repeats itself. So I am so excited about this part. Let me show you how that correlates to the weekly view, just so you can see. So we will look here, January, February, March. These are the tasks that we're going to do. We're going to clean out the pantry. So if I flip to January 3rd in the calendar, which is the second week, if you look up here in the highlighted portion, you have organized pantry. So this is your task for the whole week. Just get the pantry done. That's your deep clean for the week. How amazing is that? I am so excited to use that. It just really helps me, again, not have to memorize everything I have to do. Like, I feel like this is more manageable. So let me flip back here to where we were at. And then it goes into our bill payment schedule, which is great. And there's a lot of space here. So I'm excited to use that. And then you have your dream big projects, and then your financial goals, lots of room to brainstorm there, and then some notes pages as well. Now, this is a religious faith-based calendar. So every month there is going to be a Bible verse to start your new month. So that's January, and then February. And it's different every month, but I really love that. It just reminds you to start fresh and to remain focused. And
I'm just super excited about that. I think it's really pretty. The tabs are laminated as well, so they're not going to bend. The other thing too that I didn't note is that the cover covers those tabs, so that's great. I really love that, so they don't stick out and, you know, get exposed. So the cover does fully cover the tabs. So let's go on into a month view here. So this I'm not 100% sure that I love. I don't know yet. We'll see. Well, to be determined. Usually, like for the month, if I'm going to go to the tab, I would like to just open the tab to the calendar. But we'll see. I understand like this is a purpose, and I'm excited about it, but I'm not sure how I'm going to feel about it later on as I get into it. But this first page is, you have your to-dos right here. You're going to map that out. And then when you turn the page, then you move into your month view. It's got the same color pattern here as it does here. Again, I love how cohesive everything is and was really planned out. Plenty of space in each box. You've got a notes tab or notes section down here, and then this is the next month right there. And then we'll move into our weekly view. So I was so excited when I saw this. This is an organizer's dream. Like, this is perfect. So at the top here, you have all of your habit trackers, and you don't necessarily have to do all of these every single day, but it's good to have them out so you can see what your habits are and kind of, you know, watch what you're doing, and things that you won't even think about, like shower. That's a good one, you know, and things that sometimes we get so bogged down we just don't even think about, and so it's nice to have that right here. So I brought you guys in just a little bit so you can kind of see the rest of it. So each day is mapped out in its own color. Love that. And then again, there's those 3 icons that I showed you at the beginning of the book. So every day will have that. So that's great. And then you'll have your checklist. That's your checklist for the day. So it changes, but they're easy, doable things just to remind you what to do. And just to clean, you know, this first one is make your menu plan. Oh, the other thing I forgot to say is that the weeks start on Sunday, which I love because for me, I've always been like, Sundays are my prep days for the coming week. So I absolutely love that the weeks start on Sunday. So she has a little pre-made checklist right here. You will also note at the end of every day, there is a Bible reading assignment on there, which I think is great. Just to take those few minutes to focus in and check in. I think that's fantastic that it's there, and it, you know, tells you every single day. And then you have plenty of room for a checklist. You can even divide this in half if you need to. I think this is going to be plenty of room for me and my needs because I'm taking care of a lot of stuff on this side. Usually, you know, on this day I would write, like on a typical spot, I would write, okay, here's my meal for the day, and here's, you know, things I need to do, all that kind of stuff. But this can really be utilized, you know, for time meetings. If you have meetings or appointments, you can put that in here. You could put, you know, if you like an asterisk or something here. I think there's plenty of room on the daily layout to really get in everything that you need. So again, all of the colors coordinate, which makes me so, so happy. It's just, I think it's going to be such a great planner. Now this is a little bit backwards in my mind, but I think it'll work. Is at the end of every month is the budget for that month. So you'd have to flip back here and do this first at the beginning of the month for that month. So this is January, even though the start is right here of February. That's a little, bit backwards to me, but I can see how it would work. So I am excited to give it a try for sure. But there's so much here that a lot of planners I find leave out, and then there's also room for extras there. So that's another piece of the planner. So every month is like that, and again, this goes from January until December, so it's a yearly. So let's flip. I don't think there's really anything at the end of the planner here. yeah, no, it just leaves an extra page of notes, so that's good. And then at the back there is a double pocket, so you've got a pocket on one side here and then a pocket on the other. Obviously if it's like, you know, full papers, you have to fold those in half, but that's not a problem to me. And that is the planner. I am so excited to use this planner and really get into it and enjoy every aspect of it. I hope you guys got more of a detailed look, and I hope that this really kind of helped you see the ins and outs of this planner.
Take it from me, somebody that loves all things planners, this is a good one. So definitely get your hands on this, especially if you're needing something for your home and to maintain your home and your budget and your family. My name is Sydney, and this is the Pleasant Street Farmhouse. I'd love for you to stick around and hit that subscribe button down below so you can join the Farmhouse family. Until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.